Hey there, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of CapCut, an incredible video editing tool that's perfect for both beginners and seasoned pros. If you're looking to elevate your video content, you're in the right place. CapCut offers a user-friendly interface packed with advanced features that can help you create stunning videos in no time. Start by importing your clips and exploring the timeline, where you can easily trim, split, and rearrange your footage. Don't forget to check out the extensive library of effects and transitions that can add a professional touch to your projects. For those ready to take it up a notch, CapCut's advanced features like keyframe animations and chroma keying allow for more creative control. Experiment with text overlays and music to enhance your storytelling. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Happy editing!